Black box testing focuses on program inputs and outputs without analyzing internal code. White box testing examines the internal logic and structure of the program. Basis path testing uses cyclomatic complexity to identify independent execution paths. Test cases are created for each path to ensure every statement is executed at least once. Regression testing ensures that newly added changes or fixes do not break existing functionality. In top-down integration, testing begins from higher modules using stubs for lower modules. In bottom-up integration, lower modules are tested first using drivers. Testing identifies defects while debugging focuses on locating and correcting those defects. Equivalence partitioning divides input data into valid and invalid groups called partitions. A single test case represents each group to reduce testing effort. Boundary value analysis focuses on testing extreme values such as minimum, maximum, and values near limits. These techniques help identify input-related defects effectively. Unit testing focuses on verifying individual program modules independently. It ensures that each unit functions correctly before integration begins. Important considerations include testing module interfaces, local data structures, boundary conditions, and error handling. Detecting defects at this stage helps reduce development cost and improve software quality. Integration testing focuses on verifying how different software modules interact with each other. It ensures that interfaces and data flow between components work correctly. Debugging begins once errors are detected. It involves identifying the root cause, analyzing the program logic, and correcting the defect before testing again. Software testing includes multiple levels such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. Unit testing checks individual modules while integration testing verifies module interaction. System testing evaluates the entire system, and acceptance testing ensures that the software satisfies user requirements and expectations. Unit testing verifies the correctness of individual modules in a software system. Regression testing ensures that previously working functionality remains unaffected after modifications. Test suites are collections of organized test cases. They include inputs, expected outputs, and testing conditions to verify system functionality effectively. Cyclomatic complexity is a metric used to measure the complexity of a program's control structure. It determines the number of independent execution paths within a program. The value is calculated using control flow graphs and helps testers design adequate test cases to ensure complete path coverage. Integration testing ensures that different modules of a software system interact correctly with each other. It identifies interface and communication errors between components. Approaches such as top-down, bottom-up, and hybrid integration are used. Stubs and drivers are often used to simulate missing modules during testing. Black box testing evaluates the functionality of software without examining its internal structure. Testers focus on inputs and outputs to verify system behavior. Techniques such as equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision tables, and state transition testing are used to detect functional defects. Basis path testing identifies independent execution paths in a program using control flow graphs. Each path requires at least one test case to ensure full statement coverage. In a subtraction example, different conditions produce different execution paths. Refactoring improves internal code structure without altering the program's external behavior. System testing evaluates the complete integrated software product to ensure it meets specified requirements. It focuses on overall system behavior, including performance, reliability, and security. This stage validates whether the entire system works correctly before delivery to the customer. Software testing strategies follow a structured process, starting with unit testing, followed by integration testing and system testing. Validation ensures the software satisfies requirements, while acceptance testing confirms that the final product meets user expectations before deployment. Testing strategies for conventional software begin with unit testing, where individual modules are verified. Integration testing checks how modules interact with each other. System testing evaluates the full software system, and validation testing ensures that user requirements are satisfied before final delivery. Basis path testing is a white box testing technique used to analyze program control structures. A control flow graph is created and cyclomatic complexity determines the number of independent paths. Test cases are then designed for each path, ensuring that every statement in the program executes at least once.